Hello everyone, welcome to next Arduino tutorial. So let's do our first step to install the driver of your Arduino board. Okay, now suppose if you are using Macintosh operating system, then you don't need to install the drivers of your Arduino board. Okay, but if you are using Windows or Linux, then you need to install the drivers. Alright, now connect your Arduino. Here I am connecting my Arduino board. Okay, open your device manager. Here's my device manager. Okay, now you'll see unknown device. Okay, if you unplug your Arduino board, then plug it again. Alright, now just right click and update your driver software. Now browse my computer for driver. Here is. Alright, that's it. Now next, now your message will be appear to install the driver, to install this driver anyway. Okay, it may take some time to install. Okay, come on. Alright, my Arduino board, I selected my COM port 6. Okay, that's it, COM 6. Now open your software. Select tools, select your board, which is Arduino Uno, and COM port COM 6. Alright, so that's all about it. Now let's do our next exercise.